It is estimated that about 200 deaths occur on cruise ships each year. So it should come as no big surprise that your cruise ship may have a morgue on board. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's cruise tip video. Before we get started, if you would do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so, allows our channel to grow, and does allow us to continue bringing you cruise tip content. Now, first and foremost, none of this information is designed to scare anyone. It's not designed to turn anyone off from cruising in any way, shape, or form. It is purely for information purposes. Cruising is still an extremely safe way to travel. There is lots of security, tons of cameras on the ship, and I have never once felt unsafe while cruising, but I do want to still be able to share this information with you. Now, most of the deaths that do occur aboard cruise ships, they are from natural causes. Now, some are accidents. There are a few murders, some suicides, and overdoses at sea. So, a morgue is an unfortunate need. Now, murders on board, they are rare, and most of them are not pre-planned. They tend to end up being arguments that have escalated out of control, or they involve a previous history of abuse within the relationship. Most murders on board cruise ships involve either stabbings, strangulations, or pushing someone overboard. No weapons are allowed on board cruise ships as you're checked through security on embarkation day. So someone pre-planning to murder someone on a cruise ship with all of that security, cameras, and everything else is very uncommon. They tend to be a spur-of-the-moment issue. Suicides are mostly people jumping overboard the side of the ship, though there have been a few reported cases of hangings. While accidental deaths occur from trips and falls, accidents in port, entering restricted areas of the ship you're not supposed to be in, some individuals that like to climb out on the outside of their balconies and then end up falling, and of course, drowning. However, the thing to remember is that most cases of death on board cruise ship are from natural causes, from strokes and heart attacks. While nobody wants something like this to happen to them, it is unfortunate that it does happen, but it is also why cruise ships do have morgues. When a death occurs on board the ship, the body remains on board until the ship can reach an appropriate port to be flown home. Now, this port has to have the necessary medical facilities to issue a death certificate before the body can be removed from the ship to be flown home. And the crew is highly trained to handle these type of situations with utmost care and respect. So again, none of this is to turn anyone off from cruising in any way, shape, or form, but it is an unfortunate situation that does sometimes happen on cruise ships. So I wanted to share this information with you, just something to keep in the back of your mind. All right, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.